Hi! In the previous video, we've learned how to create a phishing email with Social Engineering Toolkit. In this video, we'll know how to create a malicious file with Social Engineering Toolkit. So, in this video, we are going to find out set options for creation payloads, choose right payload for our target, add the payload to our phishing email. So, let's open our set again. And here we are. And for today's demonstration, we again choosing option 1. We are choosing not option 5 as in the previous video, but option 1, spear phishing attack vectors. As you can see, spear phishing module allows you to specially craft email messages and send them to your targets. Now, from these three options, let's change option number 2, create a file format payload. And here you can see a lot of payloads that can be created with Social Engineering Toolkit. For today's demonstration, let's choose Adapt PDF Embedded Access Social Engineering. Number 17. PDF files are very often used for social engineering attack, because the malicious payloads can be easily disguised with a book or a document. So let's go further. Now we can choose to create a PDF of our own or use built-in blank PDF for attack. In the first option, if our target will get the PDF, it could be a real readable PDF file. But if we use option 2, it will be just blank PDF, so a target opens it and see nothing, and as usual people think that it's just broken PDF and something like that. So for demonstration purposes I use 2 options, and here we can see the malicious payload. As you can see, different types of shells, and for us now, for demonstration purposes, it doesn't matter which of them to choose, so let's try number 2, for example, Windows Interpreter Reverse TCP. Click, enter. Here we need to type the IP address of our local host for the payload listener. So, as you can see, set has already defined the IP address of our machine, so we just click enter. And here is the port number to connect back. Let it be by default 443. And now, as you can see, directories were created and our payload is generated. It has taken a bit of time, but now it's ready. As you can see, payload creation complete. And all payloads now are in the template PDF directory. Now we've got again 2 options. Keep the file name or rename the file. It's obviously that it's much more better to rename the file, for it looks more trustful. So let's do it. Option 2. Type here new file name. For example, very important document PDF. Now let's choose option 1. And now we can choose what to use, a predefined template or create a template of our own. For demonstration purposes, I choose predefined template. Click 1, and here you can see different type of templates. They will accompany your payload to influence your target to click on the file you've sent. You can see here different messages, and here we are, Dan Brown's Angel and Demons book. Yes, you are quite right. That's why I use exactly this book for my phishing email demonstration. So click item 3. And now we are stepping on the same way we were on the previous video. So certainly I won't repeat it here because you can go back to the previous video and execute all commands in the right way. And one more important notice. If you will be providing a real penetration test, you should take into attention that Gmail checking every payload for viruses, and if it discovers your payload is malicious, it will block it. So for real-life penetration testing, you'd better use a server of your own. In this video, we found out set options for creation payloads, Have chosen right payload for our target? Learn how to add the payload to our email. In the next video, we'll find out how to create and deliver malicious USB card. Let's move ahead.